All right, I have done this before. I had it on my TikTok channel. I can't believe that I didn't put it on YouTube. It is super cool Toyota built. It's not bought. I mean, it's a leaf over. I see a lot of different things. I mean, this would be a great little off-road rig. Looks like the leaves have been clipped to make it a little longer. I mean, look at the exhaust. A little different than you'd find in a normal Toyota. High lift jack, little flatbed, the little rock sliders, off-road lights. It's leaf over. Looks like the steering rack might have been changed out. It's got a shackle reversal, little winch. There's a lot going on. Built, not